What is up guys, done at the site. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your Stripe to Base44. So first head over to the Base44's website and then you just simply need to log in with your Base44 account credentials. After that, you need to click on integrations. And if you're clicking on integrations, you will see the option to create your own integration. Click on create integration and then name your integration. I'll name it as Stripe123. And after that, if you have any image or logo, you can just upload it. And when you are done, simply click on continue to integration content. And from here, you need to enter the secret name or you need to add the API key. So to add the API key, click on add API key. And after that, here you will see the option to add your API keys. So to add the API keys, you need to head over to Stripe. And then from Stripe, when you log in on the left side at the bottom, you need to click on developers. And after clicking on developers, you need to click on API. Here you can see the option of API keys. Simply click on it. And then this window will open. From here, you can just simply create a new restricted key or you can create a new API key. So as you can see, I already have created one secret key. So just simply click to copy it. And after copying, head back to base44 and you can just simply paste the secret key here. And after that, as you can see, when I just simply pasted it and then clicked on add API key, this key has been added. And after that, I can just simply click on save integration to save it. But it says you need to enter some description. After entering some description, I'll click on integration and I'll then click on save integration. Integration prompt must be at least 50 characters. So to create an integration prompt, here you need to enter some code. So to get that code, head back to Stripe again, and then simply click on create restricted key. And from here, click on build your own integration. After that, click on continue again. Before clicking on continue here, you will see the option to create key. Click on create key, and then you can just simply enter the key name. So you just simply need to enter your key name here. Let's say I'm typing STRIPEE123 and then I'll hit create key again. So as you can see here, I have created a key with specific access limits. So I'll just simply copy it and then just simply paste it here. And then I just simply hit on save integration. And here, as you can see, the Stripe has been successfully connected to my Base44. So that was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.